Greetings, sorry, this video was a bit distracted by my new Springer Spaniel, Ronnie, so enjoy. This is a quick demonstration of Ronnie the dog. No, it's a quick demonstration of a couple of Toyota Hilux we've done for this customer with remote starts on them, which is activated off 3 locks. And that will start the vehicle, leave it running for a quarter of an hour. And then same as this one, this has got the S9 version on there, which is the same thing. 3 presses of the lock and unlock button will activate remote lock-in, remote start, sorry. Ronnie, come here, come here. Come here, do you like that? Do you like a remote start video? Yes, you do. There you go, that's supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands. These are Toyota Hiluxes. We've done 3 of these now. Remote starts, remote lock unlock, pin to drive, Immobiliser system. On this one we've done a let me just stop this one. Hang on. On this one we've done a load area sensor in the back, which basically the guy, you know, he struggles with people attacking his load area. So what we've done is fitted a microwave field sensor in the back, which obviously detects when somebody gains access. So that's the microwave sensor in that IP box. It's waterproof, water resistant, and that will detect anyone opening the back cover or the back tailgate, because there's no sensor on these back doors. So I've done a dual, you know, double sensor setup, so it detects the boot opening, detects the cover opening. We also fit ultrasonics in the cab. That's exactly what the customer wanted for glass break. Again, he's had his glass broken into the last couple of weeks with this van. So yeah, a lot of attempts on these vans at the moment. So Starline, S9 and E9. This is the S9. This has got tracking on it. This one's the E9, same as the S9 but with no tracking and no modem. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands, 07900 605040.